Welcome back to the channel. I'm JustMoparJoe. We're building a super secret, top secret, highly classified 512. And you'll see what's missing here is the camshaft. And we have two camshafts, but they're not usable. This was camshaft number one. It looks like a real nice billet comp solid roller cam, but when we got it out of the box, it actually had some pitted rust on that first lobe, so we can't go with that. That needs to be reground to be used. And also on camshaft one, all the threads are stripped out of these first three holes here on the front of it. I don't know, there's maybe 4 or 5 left deep in there, but you can't get a bolt started. That might need to be fixed also. Here's our second cam. I was so excited to get it. You can see it's got nice threads everywhere on that end. I was ready to stab it in, and Rick wanted me to check to clean out the cam holes in number 4 journal so the top end could oil. This one doesn't have any holes in it, none at all. So we are in the place where problems turn into solutions, and we're going to put some in it today.
And this is a dividing head, and we're going to find out the degrees difference between this oil hole and the other oil hole, so we can drill the other camshaft.
So these two cams are the same part number and everything. It's just that this one didn't get any holes, so we got to check everything on it now. I have this lobe marked because that's the one we're putting up in the Bridgeport mill. Set up like that.
We're going to drill a hole, then we're going to turn the dividing head, and we're going to find out where the other hole is and drill another hole to where it will intersect to where this camshaft can provide oil to the rockers. So according to our measurements, it looks like we don't have Dodge's numbers because it's not in the book, but it looks to us like this one is going to be 69 degrees. I think we're into the soft stuff now.
Oh yeah, like butter.
I think I felt it break through. Ooh, that baby sunk then. You know, if I didn't push it up in there. I think I want to try the drill bit. Get some support going on.
So by our calculations, it's 69 degrees from hole to hole center.
No, 69 plus 60 plus 13. And I'm going to put that number in my book. See, that feels hard to me. I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't sound good to me. That sounds really bad to me.
You know what depth we're going?
Well, according to this, if it's 975 to the middle, and if we give it 25, that's 1 inch. Ain't gonna be nothing left of that drill bit after you drill something. I've drilled titanium, nearly 3 inches thick. It's gotta be the only stuff in the world that can do that. Okay, X and Y are set, and we're set at 69, and we're going down 1 inch. If we can. Like butter.
Oh man.
Wow. Absolutely hit a brick wall.
Mm.
Now I want to know if that sumbitch has got 1 inch of flutes on it. So this is called a two flute, which that means is you can drill with it.
Right.
But those flutes aren't long enough.
Mm.
We're gonna have to use the drill bit. We're way through anything now. So that's when it's cut it like butter.
I know, it
Didn't even know it was there. I think what's going on is, I think that other one was dull. We're through the hardness now, so there's nothing left. It doesn't have any way to get the chips out. The depth that we are. See if it's going to cut it. Oh, like butter.
I see a little slip in there. We're done here and we're rotating. How many degrees?
We're going back to 287. There's our hole, 287. Now we hadn't tried to drill from here, have we?
This was the deeper side, so.
Do we even want to try? Your cam is about done.
All right. And now we'll switch back to the
Drill bit. I hit it. Did you see it? I felt it when it hit the other one. And there's 1025. So we're done. Shove that sumbitch in the motor and degree it in and check the valve to piston.
Now we're down to the fun part, getting to degree our camshaft.